My name is Romain Grace. I am the Star Center Advisor for the College of Arts and Sciences. We're able to advise every major in the College of Arts and Sciences. We put in place 2 professional advisors, and we have someone from every department in the College of Arts and Sciences that is there throughout the week. The Star Center reaches out to students and works with them to make sure that they're on track to graduate. Come talk to one of our peer mentors. We have 9 peer mentors that have already been through the grind. They're seniors. They're going to be able to explain which classes are best taken in the proper order, something that I may not be able to answer because I'm not a college student anymore. I think the best thing about the mentors as well, if you don't feel comfortable talking to me, talk to Monica. If you don't feel comfortable with Monica, talk to one of our mentors. And if you don't feel comfortable with one of our mentors, we have a faculty advisor. So we have 4 different pieces that a student's gonna say, I found the person that I'll be able to relate to.